think that's it. After that, then after the 20-minute run, then I'm gonna drain the oil real quick because it's all hot. It's gonna have a bunch of little metal bits in it, and then that's it. Then we can relax after that. So that's about it.
Let's do it.
Thank you all for coming.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
very important to me.
Just in case. Just to have your finger on that pin, bro.
I've warned most of my neighbors, but if any of them come over all pissed off, just kind of
Take them out, don't worry.
shoot them away.
Squirt him with the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, there you go. Breaking in.
Yeah.
So you gotta raise the oil pressure enough for everything to be lubricated. Then as soon as it's hot, drain all that shit out. 20 minutes, that's it.
Flush everything.
It's not as loud as I thought.
Yeah, that's cool, dude.
I thought it was like booming. Fuel pressure strong. We're good.
Minutes left.
Okay. Done.
Yes. Congrats.
Ah.
Now you gotta take it all apart, right? Now you gotta strip it back down.
You know, the fans like an F1. Here's some of my engine oil after the 20-minute cam break-in. This used to be brand new 20W50 oil with that kind of light honey translucent color, and now it's got a kind of a grayish metallic sheen to it from all the little metallic particles in there. I guess this is normal. This is what's supposed to happen. Thankfully, there are no big chunks, gear teeth, or anything, or pieces of piston ring, stuff that would indicate a catastrophic failure. So based on the performance of the 20-minute break-in and the condition of this oil, I would say that that's successful. So now we're going to continue with the tune and test drive.